description.
Well, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today is June 4th. I just took a few weeks off to regroup, not do this, and I cranked out 5 top 10 lists in a week. And that's how I started things. And here I am. So, today we are doing a very unique one to start out with. This is Baijia Akuan. So, it looks like Akuan and Baijia are now the same thing. I don't know the whole deal, but it seems that's the deal. And this is an instant Konjac noodle, lemon, sour, and hot flavor from China. Are you ready? This is going to be quick. This is going to be disturbingly fast. Okay. Are you ready? I hope so, because, yeah. This is only going to take a minute. I don't know if it's even going to take that. I will need scissors. But aside from that, I should be pretty well prepared already. I'm not going to use a funny fork. My daughter loves these forks, by the way. Look them up. They're called the swirl fork. Swirl fork. Shout out to the king of the swirl fork, a fella named Flavio. Nice guy. And I think he's still selling those things. But yeah, swirl fork. Scissors. Are you ready? This is gonna go quick. I hope you're ready. So here's our konjac noodle. Konjac is a root, and konjac root can be made into noodles, they found, and these noodles contain nothing. Oh, they're thin. I like that. They can be rather rubbery, which can be off-putting. So this is supposed to be like lemon and lemoniness. So I'm doing it this way. The instructions say you can just use the bag it came in. So you like just crack the bag open, take everything out, dump everything in, stir it up. Of course, with the included fork. So that's a thing. Got 2 more. I think the first one I put in was the sour aspect, which is black vinegar. It's going to be sour spicy. I'm pretty darn sure this is the spicy aspect. And definitely little bits of chili in there. But yeah, for the first one I'm doing in a few weeks, I like the fact that there's no risk of me burning myself beyond recognition. That's a plus. I'm trying to think what the next top 10 list I'll be coming out will be, but by the time you're seeing this, they'll all be out. So there, I dragged that out a little bit. It's prepared. That's it. Mentions adding vegetables and such. But yeah, it does smell lemony. This smells like salad. Like a salady thing. And it's incredibly low cal. This, I think it said it was like, oh, let that on. 180 calories for all of this, which really isn't a lot. Cheers. It's spicy. It's got that vinegar aspect, and it does have a lemon aspect. It's not bad. It is as advertised. Yeah, it's all right. We're using this one. Here, let's move this cord. There we go. And there you have it. I do have tomato that I could put on this, but I'm gonna forgo that because I think tomorrow I'm gonna make some more green curry, and I'd rather have that with my green curry for dinner than put it on this. Imagine there's tomato. Just imagine. You've got those bumper stickers that say "Imagine World Peace." Imagine tomato. And yeah, I think that's good. I think we're gonna live with that. We're gonna see if Rotato has batteries. Does. Watch it go. I'm sure you were enjoying that music library music, so I apologize. But the next one that you're gonna see is this. This is, I'll put the label on it so it looks nice. Ajinomoto Oyakata Yakisoba. This is actually made in Poland for the US market, and it's Korean barbecue flavor. The last one I had was like real salty. I didn't like it so much. We'll give this one a try. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Frickin' like and subscribe. Do that. All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.